Good morning, guys. Y'all already know. Let's get this day started. It is Saturday, and we're gonna continue with them daily drops. Y'all already know. I told you guys I was gonna start dropping daily, and I've been doing just that, guys. We've been keeping you guys busy, entertained when you guys get home, with them daily drops, and I appreciate everybody that been looking at my videos. I know to some of you guys it might be boring, but shit, that's what my days consist of, trying to get this active for you guys. We're gonna go pick up the Gen 4 right now, because I know you guys want some Gen 4 content. I know you guys don't want to see no slow Hondas, but hey guys, y'all literally riding the journey with me with my dream Civics when I was a youngster, when I was young, EG Sedan, these cars here are my dream cars that I wanted when I was young and I couldn't afford to keep. I would build them. I would build my EG Sedans, bro. Nice. Shit. I'm over here stalling cars. Hey. I'm gonna delete that shit for sure, because y'all gonna be roasting me. No power steering, guys, so y'all already know, Shit. Gotta hang myself on this fucking steering wheel. But anyways, guys, these are my two favorite platforms, and I got both of them. So the journey with the EK Sedan has slowed down, because this car is pretty much done, all said and done. I don't gotta do nothing to this car. It's what I want. My Del Sol still got the journey to go through, but other than that, guys, shit, I got my two favorite Civics. Let's go. I know to some of you guys it ain't shit, but to me it is, guys, because this is my dream. This is my dream, to have my Civics that I couldn't do before. You know what I mean? Before I was broke. I'm still broke. But I would fix them, keep it for like a couple of months, and then sell them just because I needed the money. Now I'm in the position where I'm fixing them and I'm keeping them. I'm gonna wake up to them, This is my dream cars, and I'm slowly getting them. Other than that, guys, I'm headed to rinse off the car real quick. And then we're gonna be going to Fantasma. We're gonna go get breakfast or lunch, whatever you guys want to call it, with my daughters. So I'm gonna head there soon. I just gotta go check out the Gen 4 real quick. Get it? Anyway, guys, so I'll be right back in a bit. Dude, this fucking car is so fun. It's like, it doesn't compare. You got a fucking slow ass cat back over here. Trying to mess with me. Poor bastard, literally, Shit, they see us in a Honda and they think we slow. I mean, damn, I'm thinking about it. Am I slow? Yeah. No. Not that I'm slow, guys. Not that I'm slow. Right now, I'm fucking slow, actually. But it's just like, like driving a Civic, guys. It feels so real. It feels so different. It doesn't feel fake. I'm not even sure if it makes sense, guys. It's like so different from driving my Gen 4. Like the power, the fun is not the same. Like these cars are so much fun to drive. Man, guys. It is something else, guys. It is something else. Shit. But anyways, guys, I'll be right back from Fantasma's shop. Hopefully he's there, guys, because I'm up early. He said to pull up to the shop. Let's hope he's there. If he's not there, we're going to go wash the car real quick. But I'll be back, guys. Fuck, guys. So we're down the street from Fantasma, and the car is trying to turn off on me it's like kind of sputtering a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I have any codes right now on the Honda app. It is Bluetooth, so everything is on the phone, but I can't see it right now because I'm on the phone with you guys. But fuck, guys, it fucking sucks, man. Let's see if it's here. Ah, man. Anyways, so I'm here at Fantasma. Let me go ahead and check out what's wrong with the car, guys. I'll be right back. Car problems. See, guys? Car problems. Fuck my life. Who's running so good? Why can't it just act good, you know? Give me a break, car. Paddle. Gotta talk to him. Maybe he chills, you know? Alright, guys. So we're taking off from Fantasma right now. He's not here. You hear that car? See what he's doing? You hear what he's doing? Stupid fucking car. Trying to figure out what the fuck is going on now. So it looks like we're not leaving after all. We're gonna see what. Hopefully he gets here soon. I'm gonna call him. I didn't want to call him, but I'm gonna call him right now. See if he's almost here, so we can swap cars real quick. Take the Gen 4. But it's getting stuck. I don't know what's going on. See, his thing like it's getting stuck like on two-step and shit. I don't know why it's doing that. Weird. My fault. Fuck this fucking Honda. See, guys? If it ain't one thing, it's another thing. These are the things with cars. You can never make them happy. They're like girlfriends. They get mad for everything. They leave you stranded. They're just a fucking headache. They're bipolar as fuck. Shit. I'm very upset, guys. I was really looking forward to drive this car today. And then my hood don't open. So I'm gonna try to open the hood right now, guys. See if I can get it open real quick. Because I don't want to get stranded right there, low key. Last thing I want to do is get stranded. So let's see if I can open the hood real quick. Because I don't know, my hood latch was acting weird yesterday. But I'm going to try to open it right now, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So Fantasma did just pull up. Look at that. He has a Gen 4, guys. Gen 4. My boy already been on the move. But he don't want to do nothing to that car, guys. He's leaving the stock. I guess he bought himself an Evo. So he's going to fix the Evo. But look at this thing, guys. So fucking pretty. Shit. I can't pop the hood, guys. I don't know what happened. The hood latch got disconnected or shit. I don't know. So I'm going to try to get that sorted out right now. We're going to go to the bank real quick. And we'll be back soon, guys. Try to figure out what's wrong with this piece of shit. So what's up, guys? We're out with the girls. We're out eating. Like I told you guys, we were going to go grab something to eat with the girls. Look at him. This is my angry bird. She's always angry. That one over there, she's always laughing. But anyways, guys, I'll be back in a little bit, show you guys what I'm gonna eat. I still don't know what I'm gonna be grabbing, guys, but I'm gonna grab something for sure. So what's up, guys? I'm out here with my girls. Look, they're in the back. I literally came to eat, but they're like, you know what? We're hanging out with you today. I'm like, okay, I guess. So right now we're going to get we're on our way to get Fantasma some birria. We were supposed to eat birria, but the girl decided they didn't want that. So it's like a loud vibration coming out of the car. I don't know what the fuck that is. But anyways, guys, we're headed to get some birria right now for my boy Fantasma and the other homie. And then we're headed to Fantasma's shop. So I'll be back, guys. Once I'm there, I fucking try to figure out what the sound is. It's annoying as shit. It just got really loud out of nowhere, like something's loose or something. I don't know. Need to go ahead and check it out good. So crazy, guys. Shit, my fault. Shit. So we're right here at the spot, about to get some pizza. Damn, guys, my car is making some fucking annoying ass sound, guys. It's kind of irritating because I just got it running. That should be irking me like, ugh. If it ain't one thing, it's another thing, guys, and it's annoying. But it is what it is, guys. So we're pulling up to the spot right now. Best birria out here in San Bernardino, hands down, by far. My favorite. I've ate a couple of spots, but this is my favorite spot right here. Shit, my fault. All right, guys. All right, guys, so I figured out what was the problem with the car. So apparently one of the guys got the drain plug loose on the transmission. Actually, that was me. Forgot to tie in it. So it fell off, leaked all the transmission fluid. So I hope I didn't hurt the trans now. It's just my fucking luck. But anyways, we're right here at O'Reilly's. I'm driving the homie's E-Mustang. That thing is quick for what it is. No lie, guys. So I'm here at O'Reilly's right now. I'm gonna get drain plug because it literally fell. I heard it fall too, like barely not too long ago. And luckily I didn't get on the car like that. I didn't dog it out or anything, but I hope I didn't hurt the trans. I'm pretty sure I didn't, but let's just hope it didn't, you know? So I'm gonna get some gear oil right now and hopefully that's good now, you know? Shit, my fault, guys. Damn, guys. So I'm driving the homie E-Mustang, whatever they call it, right? Shit, look at that M3 though, guys. Thing is crazy, guys. Look at it, guys. Anyways, we're putting up to Redlands. Is Redlands, I think? Fuck, I think it's Redlands. I'm here to pick up, Redlands, city of Redlands. I'm here to pick up the parts for the EG Sedan, the drain plug, and the oil. They didn't have the drain plug in the other locations, so I had to come to a Redlands location. They did call, and they have it in stock, and shit. What is that? Oh, shit, my fault. Hold up, guys. Ay, güey. Shit. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, guys, I'm back. Shit, is the phone in there? Yeah. Shit. This piece is gonna lift again, too. So, compa, you ate already? The girls are here with me, too. Shit. All right, guys, so we found a couple more issues on the K-Series. Fucking car. Been a little headache, but hopefully after we're done with this, it's going to be running A1. This one is done. On the bright side, we are now literally on an upgraded transmission cooler setup. So now our trans should be running very good, different, better temperature, better everything. So therefore, this one's ready. Shit. Over here with the guys at Fantasma Performance. Shit. I pulled up today this morning because they wanted to see the car. And then I end up working on the car here because, yeah, I'm not at the shop. So, look, guys. It's running good now, but I mean, I just so fucking loud. That's the only thing I hate about it. It's really loud. I don't know why. It's obnoxious. Guys, we're doing some boost camera grill over here. Shit. All right, guys, so we're back at the shop. That motherfucker broke down again. Again. Fuck that car. This one, on the bright side, is done. It's all good. We did switch up the tires right now. Shit, my fault. See, guys? The belt snapped completely. Switched the wheels. The other wheels are over there. We still have the cement bags in there, which we're probably going to get off. My dump, I got to put that back on. But shit, and then the homie pulled up and serviced that car real quick, do the oil change and little basic stuff. But yeah, guys. So this one right here, they came, they already did the key for it. So I'm going to contact the customer right now that is ready to go so he can come pick it up and take it. And yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. I'm going to put my front runners, I think, or I don't know, honestly. Might put the front runners, might not, I don't know. All right, guys, they're moving the Gen 4 real quick because the other Gen 4 is going on the lift to get the oil change done. And yeah, guys, so this one, I sent them to pick up the belt, so it should be running soon. Gotta replace the belt and everything. I'm thinking of putting my front runners back on my car, so I'm probably gonna put them on right now because I have normal size tires in the front. So I'm gonna do my runners for sure. I don't even know, guys. I'm still debating. Fuck. It's so fucking cold, guys. There's my other tires right there. Shit, guys. Look at quick little oil change coming up right now. Master mechanic over here. I see the Gen 4 over there. Yeah. So what's up, guys? I'm here visiting Fantasma again. Now he's helping me out with another fucking car that I've been having issues with. Yeah. Getting the rear diff chimped correctly because the customer bought it. He did not buy none of the hardware. He just bought the fucking gears and didn't buy the hardware we needed for it. But my boy Fantasma over here working extra hours because he's going to fucking New York, guys.
I can be home getting late, but I'm here.
Yeah. Shit. I love you, Fantasma. You're the greatest, compita. So yeah, guys, getting this one dialed in too, so hopefully it's done. They can pick it up tomorrow. And skedaddle. Cause shit, I don't want to be dealing with this shit no more. My fault. So yeah, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and swap out the belt to a different bigger one because this one didn't work for the EG Sedan. So shit, it's been a long fucking day, guys, running around dealing with both cars. Well, mainly with the Honda, honestly, guys. It's been a fucking headache, that fucking car. The Gen 4 already got the wheel swapped. I just got to go ahead and fix my dump because one did break off, so I need to go ahead and put it back on, get it ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a shootout up there in Victorville area in the middle of nowhere, so I'm trying to make it to the shootout, test the car out, you know, see what it does. There's a road night today, but I don't even think if I'm going to go. I'm really, really tired today, but we'll see what happens, guys. Let's go ahead and see if they have a bigger belt and get that car going.